Thinking about selling your home without a real estate agent? Before you jump into a for sale by owner deal, there's something really important you need to know. The legal side of it. Skipping an agent doesn't mean you can skip the rules. And in fact, it means you need to be even more dialed in. One mistake on a contract or a missed disclosure could come back to haunt you. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time realtor here in Quincy with Happel, and today I'm walking you through the key legal steps you must follow if you're going to sell your home without a realtor. I'm not here to talk you out of FSBO, I'm here to help you do it the right way, with confidence and protection. Let's start with the basics. In Illinois, there's no law that says you have to hire a licensed agent to sell your own home, but the sale still has to comply with all Illinois real estate laws, disclosure requirements, and contract procedures. That means, first and foremost, get the right paperwork. You need a proper Illinois residential real estate purchase agreement. Not something you grabbed from a Google search, an actual up-to-date contract that includes the necessary terms, disclosures, and deadlines. Next, you're required by law to provide certain disclosures to the buyer. In Illinois, that includes the residential real property disclosure form, the lead-based paint disclosure if your home was built before 1978, and in some cases, additional city or county specific forms. Forgetting or skipping these doesn't just delay your sale, it can open you up to lawsuits later on. Another big one, handling earnest money. In an agent-assisted sale, the listing broker usually holds the buyer's earnest money in a trust account. But as a FSBO seller, you'll need to work with a neutral third party, like a title company or real estate attorney, to collect and manage these funds properly. Never keep it yourself. You'll also need to coordinate with a title company to open title, order the title commitment, and get closing scheduled. A good title company can help keep things on track, but remember, they're not there to represent you. That's your job now. And here's something FSBO sellers don't always expect. The negotiation process can get tricky fast. What happens if the buyer requests repairs after the inspection, or if the appraisal comes in low, or if the buyer's financing hits a snag? Without an agent to guide you, you'll need to handle those conversations yourself, and make sure every agreement is documented in writing with the proper addendums. Now let's talk safety. As a FSBO seller, you're inviting strangers into your home, sometimes without much notice. Make sure you vet potential buyers, never show the home alone at night, and don't forget, if the buyer is represented by an agent, you'll also be the one reviewing the compensation agreement. Are you offering a commission? If so, be sure that's stated clearly in writing and handled at closing. I've helped many Quincy sellers who started out as FSBO, but eventually asked for help. Not because they couldn't handle it, but because they realized how complex and risky it can be to go it alone. And honestly, that's what I'm here for. I can sit down with you, walk through your plan, and even offer a la carte services, like pricing support, contract review, or showing coordination, without taking over your sale. You're in the driver's seat, but with expert backup. Here's the takeaway. You can sell your home without a realtor, but you absolutely can't afford to do it without understanding the legal steps. Protect yourself. Know your forms. Follow the rules. If you're thinking about selling FSBO here in Quincy, call me today. I'll help you build a plan that works, legally, strategically, and with your goals in mind. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, full-time realtor with Happel, and I'm here when you need me.